Hi, everyone. I am Dr. Elizabeth Smith. I'm CBO at Fzata, and I am so thrilled to be here today to present Fzata at the Global Health Demo Day. And thank you so much to the Center for Advancing Innovation for hosting. Fzata is a platform oral biologics company with a deep pipeline of assets. And before jumping in, I just have to share that this month we were awarded $10 million from NIH.
I'm so
It
happy for you.
advance two of our assets all the way to IND filing. Disclaimer. So our mission is to transform patient safety, efficacy, and access to therapeutic biologics. And our vision is to be the world leader in oral biologics. Does anyone know somebody with inflammatory bowel disease who's perhaps on Humira or Remicade? The routine injections or infusions can be miserable for both patients and families. In fact, 50% of patients with IBD will stop biologic therapy because of either toxic side effects or anti-drug antibody loss of response. As you can see here, conventional biologics have a long litany of problems, and we can address every one of them with BioPIM. So what's BioPIM? It's a live yeast with a DNA payload. They're encapsulated for oral administration. Once in the GI, the yeast acts as a microfactory, making biologic at the disease site. We have multiple animal models demonstrating that BioPIM platform can deliver any biologic therapeutic. Biologic is made in the GI, it's restricted to the GI, and it passes naturally through the GI in about 3 days. BioPIM has been specifically designed for GI disorders. In violet colors are indications that we already have animal data for. In black are indications from the literature on the gut health axis, suggesting a massive potential for BioPIM across many indications. Our pipeline is, of course, built on the BioPIM modality. FZ02 for C. diff infection, phase 1 will be this year. Successful readout will prove the safety of the platform. FZ04 is being developed for visceral pain, and $7 million of new grant money is going to support that program up through IND filing. 06 is for IBD. We have demonstrated already efficacy in 2 different humanized mouse models, and the pre-IND has already been completed. $3 million of new grant money is supporting that program through IND. And as you can tell, we are an NIH seed company. We've brought in over $27 million since founding, and on top of that, in-kind awards from NIH. Our targeted entry market for FZ06 is IBD, including both ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. The target market graph shows that the moderate to severe USA IBD population that has discontinued biologics is itself a multi-billion-dollar market. Adding into that, those that have failed standard of care, the EU, Japan, China, and Canada, and now you're reaching tens of billions in revenues. Also, we intend to expand the label for FZ06, and we will be the first anti-TNF alpha to address the mild IBD population. And this is a significantly larger population than the moderate to severe. We are raising a $10 million Series A round, and we're seeking a lead investor who is as excited about this groundbreaking BioPIM as we are. And I'll also say that we are a Maryland company, and that means that the BIITC tax credit is available to us, which means an investor will get 33% of their investment money right back. Fzata has a growing patent portfolio covering both BioPIM and our individual drug candidates. The portfolio is young, translating to many years of premium priced sales as well as exclusivities. I am super proud of our team. The CEO and the CSO are the company founding scientists and patent inventors. The three of us have been working together since 2015 and moved this platform from a dream on a napkin to where we are today, like almost ready to enter clinicals. We have 3 separate clinical steering committees, one for IBD, one for C. diff, and one for pain. The heads are associated with Harvard Medical, Beth Israel Deaconess, and Boston Children's. Each of them are luminaries in their areas of expertise, and we're super grateful to have their leadership and support. In closing, our platform provides 1, better patient quality of life. No needles, no infusions. We expect high efficacy and no side effects because our drug is gut targeted and gut restricted. And finally, manufacturing has very low cost of goods. Why? Because there's no biologic downstream purification and no cold chain. So we are seeking both pharma partners for our oral biologic assets, as well as a lead for the capital raise. Okay, I'd like to thank you so much for your attention and hearing the story of Fzata and BioPim, the holy grail of oral biologics. Thank you.